Hey,
Hello.
I heard you're going to NUS. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you. But should I stay on campus?
What do you imagine residential life to be like?
I imagine a place that I can call home.
Of course.
Endless varieties of sports that I can try.
That would be fun.
Maybe even pick up a few hobbies.
Ooh, that's cool.
I'll get to attend classes where I learn about the world around us.
Absolutely.
I'll have opportunities to engage with the community. Maybe even mentor some youths.
That sounds meaningful.
I'll also make a ton of new friends too. Maybe even find someone special.
Ooh.
Every night will be like a party.
Sounds like a dream.
But it's also a safe haven during the tough times, you know?
Yeah, it do be like that sometimes.
Most importantly, a place that I can be me.
You know what? I think I might know a place.